and she handed me this. As it reads, "To Mr. Taylor D. Jr., for a great person in a successful school year, thanks." Now, that's the first thing I saw, right? So, as I turn to the tape, this is what I see. Immediately, I just start tripping out, right? So I'm like, what could this be? So, open it up. I see a heatsink. Like, oh, yeah, wow, that's cool. Flip it over, undo that. Make sure I didn't tear that up. Alright, slit the packaging tape. Open this. What do I see? A filter. That means a freaking engine. Oh my gosh. I wasn't expecting this because earlier he had already bought me one. I just never took the time to actually break that one in. I guess this is supposed to be motivation for a good school year, which I already had in my mindset for, but now this is going to make it even better. This is the HPI T3.0. I know nothing about it. I'll do as much research as possible. I will read the instructions thoroughly, because I never actually broke an engine in before. Yeah. Nitro Star. Comes with a couple zip ties, filter. Guess I could pop that on right now. Yeah. It's hard to record with one hand and do things with the other. But try to make it work. No, it's good. Alright. There you go. Now, for my own gift, I'm gonna buy me a tuned pipe. It's gonna be black to match the rest of it. Accessories, like I previously mentioned. I say cable ties, I mean zip ties, you know. Bit of a PC gamer and all, so. Yeah, here are the stickers. Come with it. I swear I was about to say case badges, but in this thick instruction book. Man. Even though there are tons of videos online about how to break in your engine, I think I'm gonna set those aside and actually read this, you know, until I get used to doing it. So yeah, thanks uncle, I appreciate it. I will take care of it, and once I do figure out what the heck I'm doing, I will smoke you on the track or on the street, so be ready. Yeah, this thing's nice. Oh, there's my XTM accelerator. I did a YouTube video on that, but to me, that video sucked. But I guess it didn't because it has over 500 views. See, the exhaust pipe on that is gray. That is I guess this is the original motor that came with it. My transmitter up here, FlySky FSGT3B. Guess I could charge this up, take that for a little spin, and once I get my HPI RS4 back, pop that bad boy in there, see how everything goes. Alright YouTube, I'll catch you later. Peace.